about the mysteries of karma and its impact on our life? Join Sadhguru as he unravels the profound truth about the consequences of our actions and how they shape our destiny. Discover why manipulating energies can harm or influence the ultimate karmic pitfall. Stay till the end as Sadhguru reveals a simple tool to unravel 90% of your karmic puzzle.
Remaining 10%, I am there.
Karma is the most dynamic way to exist. So those who think it'll happen from somewhere else will live accidental lives.
This will be the worst type of karma you perform because… and this is also a fantastic way to beat your karma.
Karma means action. Whose action? My action. Whose responsibility? My responsibility. Karma is the most dynamic way to exist in the sense. Karma essentially means, when you say, my life is my karma, it means my life is my making. The moment you see it's my karma, your successes and your failures are yours. The moment you see it is all yours, you will do the best you can. When you leave your destiny from your hands and think it just happens to you, we can call that fate. So crafting your destiny is possible, only possible for one who sees my life is my karma, whether he or she uses that word or not. In so many ways, human beings around the world have realized that it is their thought, their emotion, their actions, their focus and orientation within themselves which gets them where they want to go. Others think it is happening from somewhere else. So those who think it'll happen from somewhere else will live accidental lives and they always have somebody else to blame for things that did not happen in their lives. For things that they are not, they think it's because of somebody. You could be in the best place and be absolutely miserable. You can live in a palace and be horrendously miserable. You can live on the street and be exuberantly joyful. Both are possible. Human experience is caused from within. Pain and pleasure, joy and misery, agony and ecstasy happens from within us. So when it is happening from within us, at least what is happening from within us must happen my way. What is happening from within me must happen my way. What is around me is not all mine. Everybody has their piece in it. Maybe I also have a piece, I can push for a bigger piece, but that's it. There is never going to be any time for any human being where the external situations will be 100% the way you want it. It never ever will happen. But what is within me must be 100% the way I want, otherwise I'm a lost case. This is what karma means, that you take charge of all that you can take charge. There are a few things that won't happen in our lives. If we do not do what we cannot do, that's not the issue. But if we do not do what we can do, we are a disaster. Once you see my life is my karma, you will not be such a disaster. That is the important aspect.
Karma means action. There are 4 types of action: physical, mental, emotional and energy. Of all these things, the energy action is the most important one and the most enduring one and the most liberating one if you do it the right way. If you do it the wrong way, the energy action, which is improper, can have far more impact upon one's life than the improper physical actions, improper mental actions, improper emotional actions. So what do I mean by improper energy actions? One thing is, unfortunately, I had to witness a few things which I did not wish to witness. Certain people trying to misuse a little flexibility in energy that came with certain practice of yoga or a certain initiation especially. There are some over-smart people that when you initiate them, when it's fresh, when they're bursting with energy, they want to use it for something else. They want to channelize it to impress their neighbors or to make some money out of it or in some way use it. What was offered to them for their well-being, they try to do something else, that can happen. Or a better example would be, see, there are many ways you can perform negative action. One thing is, let's say you sat here and thought that somebody that you don't like must die, or you even thought how to kill them. It has a certain level of impact on you. On another level, you had a thought, but not just a thought, the strong emotion. Now it has a much deeper impact upon you. You acted upon this thought and emotion and you actually performed the action, then it has a much deeper impact on you. Now, you understand that if you perform these actions, there may be consequences, so you found another way. You found somebody who will do certain type of energy action through which the person that you don't like will die. There is an entire science like this. One Veda among the four Vedas is dedicated to this is called the Atharvana Veda, where it's about learning to use energies towards your benefit and other people's detriment. You've heard of words like black magic, voodoo and billi shunyam and whatever else you call it, where people have learned to use energies to cause harm to someone else. Once you energetically try to influence somebody for some benefit of your own, now this will be the worst karma because the impact of this goes very deep into you because you're employing your energies to do this. This is the reason why even to initiate you into a simple process like Shambhavi, I am asking you to take this step of being a mother to the world so that you never misuse this, you see everybody as yours. Because enhancement of energies has to come with a profound sense of responsibility. Enhancement of energies has to happen with deeper dimension of inclusiveness. Without inclusiveness, if you use energy, this will be the worst karma. So, those of you who find some dramatic changes happening in your life because of initiations, you must take care. You must take utmost care that you never try to use this ability to transform to do something else. Of course, some of you think you will do a great thing by healing somebody, by intervening in somebody's life in some other way. No, this will be the worst type of karma you perform because once you try to use your energies and still you are capable of anger, you are capable of drawing boundaries of what is you and what is not you, what is yours and what is not yours, when these things are still there, you should never ever try to do anything energetically because this will be the most impactful karma that you will do. This is the reason why even the basic practice of Shambhavi, to initiate you, you must become a mother to the world. And this is also a fantastic way to beat your karma. If every moment of your life, if you live with an inclusive emotion of being a mother to the world, not discriminating between what is yours and what is not yours. Right now you cannot help discriminating what is you and what is not you, but at least what is yours and what is not yours, if you take it away, you have solved the karmic puzzle 90%, believe me, 90%. Of all dimensions of karma, you have solved that puzzle. Remaining 10%, I am there
Karma is a core doctrine in Indian spirituality, referring to this principle of cause and effect where one actions, good or bad, create corresponding positive or negative consequences in the future. Belief in karma is associated with individual differences such as moral norms and behaviors. Especially those who believed in karma tend to be less selfish and more charitable, as they believe their current action will have future consequences. Belief in karma is shaped by cultural evolution, recognition, and motivation. It is often associated with other supernatural beliefs such as belief in God, spirit, and faith. Cognitive pathway to belief in karma include moral laden, non-agentic and agentic attributions. Overall, the study suggests that belief in karma can have significant impact on individuals' moral behavior and decision making, as they believe their action will be rewarded or punished in the future based on their principle of karmic justice. Thank you for joining on this exploration of karma and its profound impact on our life. Throughout this video, Sadhguru has shed light on the nature of karma, helping us understanding its complexities and the importance of being mindful of our action and energies. Remember, karma is not just about action or consequences, it's about the equal of our energies and intention behind those actions. As Sadhguru empathized, using our energies to harm, manipulate, or interfere in someone's life is the most detrimental form of karma we can create for ourselves. But don't worry. Sadhguru also offers us a simple and powerful tool to begin unraveling the karmic puzzles. By understanding and implementing the 90% solution, we can significantly transform our life and find greater peace and clarity. As we continue this journey together, we invite you to explore profound insight and wisdom from Sadhguru. Be sure to stay tuned to our channel for more transformative content that will lead you a conscious and fulfilling life. Let's embark on this path of self-discovery and grow together. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. We are grateful for your presence and hope to see you again soon. Thank you for being a part of this community, and until next time, stay mindful, stay conscious, and stay blessed. Namaskar.